Types of business correspondence. Make your message clear. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of business correspondence. Understanding the different types can help you communicate effectively and professionally. Let's explore these types and discover how each one plays a unique role in the business world. Business correspondence refers to any written communication within or between businesses. It can be formal or informal, digital or paper-based. It serves as a record of communication, conveys information, and represents the business to stakeholders. Whether you're writing to a colleague or sending a proposal to a potential client, choosing the right format is essential. Letters. Traditionally, business letters are written on company letterhead and can serve various purposes like making inquiries, providing responses, or conveying thanks. They tend to be formal and follow a set structure. Emails. In the digital age, emails have become the primary mode of business correspondence. They're fast, efficient, and can range from formal to casual. It's essential to have a clear subject line and keep your content concise. Memos. Memos, or memorandums, are used for internal communication within an organization. They're brief messages that convey information, updates, or requests to employees. Reports. Reports provide detailed information or analysis about a particular topic. They are used for decision-making and are often presented in a structured format with headings, subheadings, and sometimes graphs or charts. Proposals. Proposals are used to suggest a plan or a project to a client or within the organization. They're detailed documents that outline what, why, and how a task will be accomplished. Notices. Notices are formal announcements or statements, often displayed publicly within a company. They might inform employees about a new policy, upcoming event, or other essential information. 1. Know your audience. Understand who you're writing to and tailor your tone accordingly. 2. Be clear and concise. Get to the point quickly, and avoid jargon. 3. Proofread. A mistake-free message looks professional and avoids confusion. 4. Maintain professionalism. Especially in formal correspondence, it's vital to be polite and respectful. 5. Use templates. For frequently used formats, like letters or reports, consider using a template to ensure consistency. There you have it, a deep dive into the types of business correspondence. Understanding and mastering these types can set you apart in the professional world. We hope this video sheds light on the diverse world of business communication. Remember, it's not just about the message but also how you deliver it. Happy writing!